Alright, I want to show you real quick how you can translate entire documents using Google Translate. To start off with, you are going to click on your PDF. You do need to save this PDF somewhere to your iPad, so you will export it and then click Save to Files. And it doesn't really matter where you save it here. I'm just going to save it in the Download section. After I do that, then I'm going to go to Google Translate. And in order to do this, you do need to be in the full version. So you're going to click on Documents here, browse your computer, and click on Renaissance Reading Without Pictures. And then it will automatically translate it. And so it doesn't have the pictures in there, but you can get the text, which is what will take a while. Now, in order to download that to your iPad, you do need to be in the black version of Schoology. So this will not work if you are in the white version of Schoology. So make sure that you are in the black version of Schoology.